Okay, today we're going to look at the idea of multiplying expressions. So here, for example, we have 3 times 4, and we know 3 times 4, so 3 times 4 equals 12. Well, we can do a similar thing with pronumerals, where a times b will equal ab in that fashion. And what happens is this multiplication sign here, we know that the protocol is that it also exists here. These questions can also be expanded in another way. So just like 3 times 4 times 2, okay, is going to give us 24. If we go a times b times c, it's going to give us a, b, c. So those multiplication signs are all in between there. We can then extend that concept a little bit further, where we could put pronumerals in the front of these, like this, okay? And in this case, what we need to understand is that if we expand that out, that's actually 3 times a times 2 times b times c. And so we can actually multiply these numbers by each other. So 3 times 2 will give us 6. And then the ABC is the same as up here, ABC. So A, B, C, 6, A, B, C in that fashion, okay? The next step beyond that would be then to introduce pronumerals twice or more within a particular multiplication question, okay? So if we look at this one here, and we introduce here, for example, an A, okay? So what we do is we end up here then with 3 times A times 2 times B times A, okay? The 3 times 2 is 6, okay? And then we know it's going to be AB, but the A times A creates A squared, okay? That A times A equals A squared, okay? So this becomes 6 A squared B, okay? Like that. And then you can extend that along to if there had been like 3a squared, and that'd be 6a to the power of 3, okay? That type of thinking.